In this quick Apollo.io guide, we're going to show you how to take full advantage of Apollo.io's powerful email scheduling features. Whether you're new to the platform or just looking to streamline your outreach process, we'll cover everything you need to know in under 5 minutes. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have mastered a tool that can make your email outreach both efficient and effective. Apollo.io's email scheduling feature is perfect for users who want to automate their email campaigns while staying consistent and personalized. But first, you'll need to set up your Apollo.io account. Don't worry, you can use the software for free through the link below, which includes some exclusive bonuses. Let's dive into how to schedule your emails using Apollo.io. Once you're logged in, you'll want to head to the email section in the navigation bar. From here, you can start creating your emails and campaigns. If you're sending personalized outreach, Apollo.io makes it easy to include dynamic fields like first names, company names, and more. These help ensure that your emails don't feel like they're going out in bulk, maintaining a personal touch that resonates with your recipients. Now, let's talk about scheduling. After you've drafted your email, Apollo.io lets you choose the exact time and date for your message to be sent. This means you can compose emails in batches and schedule them to go out when your recipients are most likely to engage, whether that's early in the morning, late at night, or right before they close their workday. Having this control allows you to target optimal times across time zones, maximizing open and response rates. One of the most valuable features Apollo.io offers is the ability to schedule follow-up emails. After sending your initial message, you can set up a follow-up email to be sent automatically if there's no response within a set number of days. This can dramatically improve your chances of getting a reply without you needing to manually track each prospect's engagement. Another cool feature is that you can view all your scheduled emails in one place. The dashboard gives you a clear overview of your campaigns and email statuses, which helps you stay organized and keep track of upcoming sends. You can easily edit or reschedule emails right from the dashboard if you need to make any last-minute changes. A powerful benefit of using Apollo.io's email scheduling features is that you don't have to worry about manually sending emails at specific times or forgetting follow-ups. The automation does all the work for you, and the best part is you can set everything up in advance, freeing you up to focus on other tasks. Remember, the email scheduling feature works seamlessly with Apollo.io's CRM and other automation tools, meaning your entire workflow from finding leads to managing email responses becomes more efficient. So, to wrap things up, Apollo.io's email scheduling features make it easy to send personalized emails at optimal times and follow up automatically. Whether you're reaching out to prospects, following up, or nurturing existing relationships, this feature will save you tons of time and effort. If you're interested in giving Apollo.io a try, make sure to check out the first link in the description below. You'll get exclusive bonuses and an extended free trial, so you can fully explore the platform's potential without any commitments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.